Slide 1 Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Python workshop. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of Python, a powerful and easy-to-learn programming language. Why learn Python? It's versatile, beginner-friendly, and widely used in areas like web development, data science, automation, and artificial intelligence. Let's get started. Slide 2, Python installation and setup. Getting Python installed is easy. Just visit python.org, choose your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux, and follow the straightforward installation steps. Once you've installed Python, let's test it with your very first program. It's as simple as typing print hello world. This simple command helps you check if everything is set up correctly. Slide 3. Variables and data types. Next, let's talk about variables. They're like containers that store data for you. Python has several common data types. Numbers, like age equals 25. Strings, like name equals Alice. Booleans, true or false, like is student equals true. These data types help Python understand what type of information you're handling. Slide 4. Basic operators and expressions. Now, let's do some math. Python uses arithmetic operators such as addition plus, subtraction minus, multiplication asterisk, division slash, and modulo percent sign. For example, 5 plus 3 times 2 equals 11. Python also uses comparison operators like equal to, not equal, greater than spar, less than, greater or equal to, ger, and less or equal to on. For instance, age greater than or equal to 18 checks if someone's age is 18 or older. Slide 5, control flow statements. Control flow statements allow Python to make decisions or repeat tasks. For example, with conditionals, Python can determine what to do based on a condition. If age greater than or equal to 18, print adult, else print minor. Loops let Python repeat actions. For example, a for loop counts from 0 to 4, printing each number. A while loop repeats until a condition is no longer true. Slide 6, functions. Functions are reusable pieces of code that perform specific tasks. They make your code easier to manage. Here's how you define a simple greeting function. Def greet name. Return f hello name. Print greet Bob. This function greets any name you pass to it, keeping your code organized and efficient. Slide 7. Lists and dictionaries. Lists and dictionaries help you store multiple items. Lists are ordered collections like a shopping list. You can easily add items: fruits, apple, banana, cherry, fruits, append, orange. Dictionaries store key value pairs, perfect for storing related information. Student, shop, name, Alice, age, 20th tar, print, student, name. Slide 8, mini project, simple calculator. Let's see Python in action. Our simple calculator program can perform addition and subtraction. Def add a, b, return a plus b def subtract a, b, return a, b num1, 5 int input. Enter first number, num da int input. Enter second number, int input. Enter second number. Then print, sum, add num1, num2. Print, difference, subtract num1, num2. This hands-on example demonstrates how easy it is to create useful programs quickly. Slide 9, resources and next steps. Thank you for joining today's Python session. To keep learning, check out Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. Visit the official Python documentation and continue practicing by building small projects. Happy coding!